Hey guys, Jason, surviving dad life. Still, I got this cocktail shaker sent to me because I've been recently experimenting with making drinks and something that kind of interested me. But I had this one. I think this was given to me, and as you can see, the plastic piece broke off of it. But or actually, it rusted. That's how it broke. Anyway, you know how these? I think these are called cobblestone shakers. Whenever you put your ingredients in, you shake them. This is cold, the outside's warm, and it creates a vacuum, and then you can't pull these lids off, and you can't get into the cup hardly. You have to warm it up, or you have to get Superman or something to take this damn lid off. And like right now, I can't even push the lid closed on it because you have to take this off, then you can push it on, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, what I really wanted was the other type with the two cups. I think those are called Boston shakers, but this company sent me one and asked me if I'd do a review over it. And of course, I was like, yeah, sure. So we're going to open up and take a look. There's new gaskets. I'm assuming this is for the main lid that goes on it. And then this one's probably a gasket for the top. And then they've got the shaker and then classic cocktail recipes. And I'm going to make a drink for you that I recently discovered that I think is delicious. And good Lord, that thing is gigantic. Okay, let's start at the top. This, I'm hoping, is a game changer. Yeah, you can see it. That gasket's on the inside there. There's a new gasket there. See the top of this? You screw on. And then it's got some, it's not impressed into it or embossed into it. It's raised where you can kind of grab it and twist it off. And then here's the top. It screws off too. Oh, holy crap. Where's the box? I thought this is, oh, this is a shaker set. All right, so it comes with a jigger, which I think is cool, and then a stir. I had no idea. Anyway, I'm going to use this to make a drink that I recently discovered that I freaking love. Okay, here's your jigger. And you know, you guys, you can use one side for smaller measurements, this for bigger measurements, but on the inside of the lid there, it's got 3 ounce and 6 ounce mark. Can you see that? So if you were pouring some bigger drinks, you could use it. You see where it's embossed in there or stamped into it? So that's pretty cool. All right, anyway, I'm going to make, I can't remember what company had that. I think it was Red Lobster that had a, this thing's heavy, that had a Dewgarita. So, little ice. I made up my own batch, and thank goodness I got a spoon. I whipped up a little batch of sour mix because I ran out. And I don't know what happened to my other one, but I'll give you guys the, holy crap, look at that. You know how when you take the spoon and lay it down, and then on like this surface,
it's all dirty.
Yeah, and it's all, this is a treated surface that's outdoors, and
Stand it up.
heck yeah. Anyway, I just recently made this. Anyway, gonna stirring it up. 30 mils sour mix. Okay, what do we got next? Triple sec. Oh, I just got some cheap triple sec. I'm just gonna use this cup because it's something that I use a lot. 15 mil of triple sec. Oh man, smell that. Can you smell the orange in it?
Yeah.
Smells good, doesn't it? All right, 15 mil triple sec. Madori. I've gotten to where I like this stuff. You can actually take this and make a madori sour, kind of like a whiskey sour. It's delicious. This one only needs about 7.5 mil, which is like, oh, what, an eighth of an ounce of madori. Okay. 37.5 ounces of tequila, which, you know, 30 ounces is an ounce. So just a little over an ounce of tequila. Okay. And then to finish it off, this is not Mountain Dew. This is actually Mountain Dew Baja Blast. I love this stuff. And you're supposed to pour it all over the table. This cup is not designed for this. But 60 mil of Baja Blast. Man, that crap got everywhere.
I think you don't know how to pour it.
Yeah, I guess you're right. I'm trying to push it on. I keep wanting to shove it on there. I forget it's a screw top. So you'll shake this thing up, I don't know, 20 seconds. Give it a little bit of dilution. And I'm just going to reuse this cup that I got. Oh, I spilled one drop that time. Oh, I love Baja Blast. Don't you love that stuff?
Yeah.
Now, they say when you shake this, you're supposed to like shake it and give your own like pizzazz on it. So what do? Shake it up. Do I guess that'll make your spoon fall over. Okay. This is the point where this will get super cold and then this thing will get freaking sucked down to the top and you can't get it off. It's like impossible when you use this thing. So I don't know why the hell I had that thing. That sucks. And of course, if you look into the top, it's got a strainer built in. Uh-oh. Forgot to put ice in my cup. But there is my Dewgarita. I wish I would have made like 50 of them things. Anyway, that other shaker, you saw what I did with it. I'm going with this one from now on. I'll leave a link down in the description of where you can get this. Also, don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. You ain't gonna hurt my feelings. I like everything that you guys say. But with that being said, oh, I think this company is going to send me a discount code. If they do, I'll put it down in the description. You guys go on and get out of here. Make your own kind of drink.